Hello students, welcome to Nagesh Karasgu Orchid School. Myself Snehal Mane, teaching you maths for grade 6. Students, in today's class we are going to start new lesson, that is lesson number 14, practical geometry. So in this lesson we are going to learn about different types of constructions. Okay, so let us see it. So our lesson name is practical geometry. In this lesson we are going to study about circle and its constructions, line segment and its constructions, angles and their constructions, and we are going to summarize all that we have studied. So circle, you can see this is a circle, it has a center point, we can name center point as C, O or something else. So the distance from the center point to any of the part of a circle is its radius, and we have also studied different things about circle and its parts in the previous classes in the term 1. Just we are going to revise and we are going to see how we can construct a circle. So this is the center point, and from the center towards any point on the circle we tell it as the radius, and the line that passes from center of the circle and touches two parts of a circle is called its diameter, So this is about the circle. A circle is a plane figure consisting of all the points equidistant from a fixed point. So see, we tell this as a center, we named it here as O. This is the center, we named it as O. This is the fixed point and it is equidistant from any of the plane figure. It means from here if we see this distance, it is equidistant from the fixed point. Hence, all radii of a circle are equal in length. So let us see a video regarding geometry. Let us see what is geometry.
Hey kids, what's going on?
We are drawing geometrical shapes on a piece of paper.
Oh, that's good. Hey, your geometrical figures are not looking perfect in shape and proportion. You need to use mathematical tools to draw geometrical figures precisely.
But what kind of mathematical tools we need to construct geometrical shapes?
Oh Simi, don't worry, I will tell you.
Hey, I have a geometry box, but I don't know how to use these tools.
See, we have 5 basic mathematical tools. A graduated ruler, the compass, the divider, set squares and the protractor.
So students, do you also have geometry box? Do you know what do we use it for? We use it for different things and different objects are named as different. So specifically in geometry box we have a ruler, then we have a compass, then this is the divider, and these are the set squares, and this is the protractor. So these are few tools which we have in our geometry box.
Let me tell you their uses. A graduated ruler is used to draw line segments and to measure their length. The compass is used to mark off equal lengths. Arcs and circles can be easily drawn with the help of a compass. The divider is a pair of pointers which is used to compare lengths. Set squares have 2 triangular pieces which differ in angles at the vertices. It is used to draw perpendicular lines. Next is the protractor. It is a semicircular device graduated into 180-degree parts which is used to draw and measure angles. While doing constructions, one should remember to draw thin lines and mark points lightly.
So we have seen the geometry box, its objects, what are there in the geometry box and how they are useful for us. So ruler, compass, divider, protractor, set squares are used for different things. Now we are going to start how to construct a circle. We have already seen about a circle and its parts. So let us see construction of a circle.
Can you show us how to draw a circle of radius 5 cm?
Yes, sure. We will require a graduated ruler and the compass. It is always better to follow steps for geometrical construction.
Okay, now we are going to see how to construct a circle. So here the question is given, construction of a circle of radius 5 cm. Okay, so radius, what is the radius for a circle we need to construct? It is 5 cm. So what do we require? We require a ruler and compass to construct a circle. So we have to take a ruler and we have to measure 5 cm on the ruler, and then we have to mark a fixed point on the paper and then draw a circle. Let us see it by a video.
Step 1. Set the compass for the required radius of 5 cm. Step 2. Mark a point with a sharp pencil where we want the center of the circle to be and name it as O. Step 3. Place the pointer of the compass on O without disturbing its opening. Step 4. Turn the compass slowly to draw the circle. So wasn't it easy to draw a circle? Do you know we can also draw 3 circles with the same center and different radii?
Oh really? But how?
Very simple. Just follow the steps which I have told you. Take a suitable point on paper as center and name it as O. Choose 3 radii arbitrarily. Let R1 equal to 1 cm, R2 be equal to 2 cm and R3 be equal to 3 cm. First,
see, now we are going to construct a circle which have 3 different radii, but we have the same fixed point. So the first radius is 1 cm, the second radius is 2 cm and the third radius is 3 cm. We have to take a single fixed point, and by taking this fixed point we have to draw 3 different circles. So the circle which we are drawing has the same fixed point. So we tell it as the concentric circle. It means 3 different radius but we have the same center. So we call it as concentric circle.
First, draw the circle of radius 1 cm. Now, keeping the center same but taking the radius 2 cm, draw another circle. Similarly, draw a circle of radius 3 cm. We call these circles as concentric circles as they share the same center.
Wow, that was so interesting.
So this was about the concentric circles. After constructing a circle, now we are going to see about line segment and its constructions. So in this we are going to see about what is line segment, how to construct a line segment of a given length. For example, we have the length given already, that is 4.5 centimeter. So we have to construct a line segment of 4.5 centimeter. So there are some specific steps where we need to show the steps and do it accordingly. So let us see that in detail. Constructing a copy of given line segment. Already the line segment is given. We have to construct a copy of the given line segment. Then we are going to see about perpendiculars. Then perpendicular to a line through a point on it. So there are different methods to see a perpendicular or to construct a perpendicular. So we are going to do construct those things also. First of all, we are going to see perpendicular to a line through a point on it, and second perpendicular to a line through a point not on it. So after that we are going to see perpendicular bisector and construction of a perpendicular bisector of a given line. So let us see. Now we are going to construct a line segment, draw a line segment of length 4.5 centimeter. So students, whenever we are drawing or we are constructing, we need to write it stepwise. So each step compulsory, there may be 4-5 steps, but we need to write each and every step. Let us see that how we can write it in detail. So let us see the solution. So just now we have seen we have to draw a line segment of length 4.5 centimeter. So steps of construction, you need to write this compulsory in your notebooks. So the step 1 is draw a line M, mark point A on it. So you have taken a ruler and you have drawn a line. It is not specifically of any length, we have just drawn a line using a ruler and a pencil, and the line we have given the name it as M. Draw a line M and mark a point A on it. So we have marked one point, it may be any point, we have marked a point A on it. So this is our step 1. Let us see step 2. Set the compass for the required length of 4.5 centimeter. So we have to take the compass, fix a pencil to it, take a ruler, and we have to mark length of 4.5 centimeter. We have to mark length of 4.5 centimeter. So this is our step 2. Then we have, without step 3, without disturbing the opening of the compass, place the pointer on A and strike off an arc that cuts M at B. Okay. So what we have done in step 3, so we have taken a ruler and a length of 4.5 centimeter. Now without disturbing this compass, we have to put it on the fixed point A. We have to put it on the point A and we have to cut the line M. By drawing a small arc. When this line cuts the line M, and here we have the point, we can mark that point as B. So what is the third step? Here we have taken the length of 4.5 centimeter. We have placed one end of the compass on point A and we have cut the line M at point B. See, without disturbing the opening of the compasses, place the pointer on A and strike off an arc that cuts M at B. We have to cut this arc at B. So we get the point B. So this is our line segment. Thus we have constructed a line segment AB which is 4.5 centimeter. And what will be the step 4? Step 4, thus we have constructed a line segment AB is equal to 4.5 centimeter. Okay. Next example, constructing a copy of given line segment. Now we have seen about a line segment. We have to construct a copy. It means same of line segment AB. Draw a line segment whose length is equal to the given line segment AB. What was the line segment? Length of the line segment AB that we have constructed earlier? It is 4.5 centimeter. Now here also we are going to construct the same line segment which is the copy of the previous one. Steps of construction. So what is the first step? We know that A and B, it is of length 4.5 centimeter and we have taken a compass and we have selected the length AB, that is 4.5 centimeter. We don't know that the length of AB is 4.5 centimeter. In step 1 we have just taken the compass and put one put the pointer on point A and move the compass towards point B. So the required length we got is the length of AB. Here we are going to construct only the copy of line segment AB. Okay. So we have placed the compass and we have find out the line segment AB which is of the given length. Next step. So next step is we have drawn a line M and we have placed the point AB as PQ. AB, what we have taken in this previous step, the same compass we have taken and placed it here, and we got 2 points on line M, that is P and Q. Thus we have constructed a copy of line segment AB. Thus we have constructed a copy of line segment AB which is PQ. Thus we can say PQ is the required line segment. PQ is the required line segment. So this was about the line segment. So let us see few examples from the exercise. Yeah, 14, lesson number 14, practical geometry. So the first question is, draw a circle of radius 3.2 centimeter. So students, just now while starting the lesson we have seen we have different concepts. First we studied about the construction of a circle, then we studied about the construction of a line segment, then we have seen the copy of the line segment. So we are going to see few examples how we can construct the circle, line segment or the copy of the line segment, and we will write it as point wise. Yeah, the first question is, draw a circle of radius 3.2 centimeters. So the step 1, mark point O as a center. We have marked a point O as a center which is the fixed point, and the step 2 will be, open the compass up to the given radius 3.2 centimeter. So we have taken a ruler and we have marked the radius 3.2 centimeter by using the ruler and compass. So step 3 is, put the needle of the compass at the center O. So the pointer, needle, it means the pointer of the compass that we have placed on the point O, and we have drawn a circle of radius 3.2 centimeter. Step 4, holding the top of the compass, take one full round with pencil. The figure thus obtained is the required circle of radius 3.2 centimeter. Thus we have constructed a circle of radius 3.2 centimeter. So this was the question, and these were the points, the steps that we have written, and we have constructed a circle of radius 3.2 centimeter. Next example, question number 2. With the same center O, draw two circles of radius 4 centimeter and 2.5 centimeter. Now what we have seen that the radii may be different, but we have the same center point or the same fixed point at the center. We call it as concentric circle. So here in this question we have two different radii but the same center. So let us see how we can construct this circle. So first of all, take center O and open the compass up to 4 centimeters. So we have taken the center O and we have taken a ruler and measured the length of 4 centimeter and placing the pointer of the compass on point O and drawn a circle. Okay. Step 2, you can observe, draw a circle keeping the needle fixed at O. We have to fix the pointer at O and draw a circle of radius 4 centimeter. Then next, take a ruler, measure the length of 2.5 centimeter and draw another circle of radius 2.5 centimeter. Thus we have drawn two different circles, one is of radius 4 centimeter and other is of radius 2.5 centimeter with the same center O. The figure thus shows required two circles with same center O. So, this is the second example. Let us see next one. Draw a circle and any two its diameters. If you join the two ends of these diameters, what is the figure obtained? What figure obtained if the diameters are perpendicular to each other? How do you check your answer? So, we have to draw a circle and its two diameters we have to join and we have to see what is the figure obtained. So, let us see. So, first example, draw a circle with center O with suitable radius. We can take any radius by placing it at pointer at point O and taking specific radius we have drawn a circle. We have drawn a circle. So, the next step is AB and CD are any two diameters. So, we have drawn two diameters in the circle, that is AB and CD are the two diameters. Step 3, on joining the end points of the diameters we get a quadrilateral ACBD. Now, what we have done after drawing these diameters, we have just joined its end points from D to B, B to C, C to A and A to D, and after joining this we got a quadrilateral ACBD. We have found that after joining the diameters we got a quadrilateral ACBD. We know that OA is equal to OB is equal to OC is equal to OD. Now, you can see here OA, OD, OB and OC, all these are radius, which are of same length, and AC is equal to DB and AD is equal to BC. AD is equal to BC, it means the opposite sides are equal. Thus, angle A is equal to angle C is equal to angle B is equal to angle D. Thus, it is a quadrilateral and it is a rectangle. We can tell all the angles are of 90 degrees. Thus, ACBD is a rectangle. Again, if the diameters are perpendicular to each other, then on measuring we get AC is equal to DB is equal to AD is equal to BC. AB ACBD is a square. If the diameters are perpendicular to each other, it means they have the measure of 90 degree. You can see we have the measure of 90 degrees here. So, if the diameters are perpendicular, we can say ACBD is a square. ACBD is a square. Thus, we have constructed a circle and find after joining the diameters we get a quadrilateral. Now, next example, draw any circle and mark points A, B and C such that A is the point on the circle, B is in the interior of the circle and C is in the exterior of the circle. So, let us draw a circle and mark these points. So, the step 1, draw a circle with center O and suitable radius. We have to take the center O and with the suitable radius just draw a circle. Then we have the point A on the circle. See, this is the point A which is on the circle. Then we have the point B which is in the interior of the circle, and then we have point C which is in the exterior of the circle. Thus, we have drawn a circle with the points on the circle, in the circle and outside the circle as given in the question. Let us see next question. Let A, B be the centers of two circles of equal radii. Draw them so that each one of them passes through the center of the other. Let them intersect at C and D. Examine whether AB and CD are at right angles. So, we have to construct a circle of equal radii and join AB. Let us see it stepwise. In the given figure, two circles of equal radii intersect each other at C. C and D. On measuring, we see that AB and CD intersect each other at right angles. You can see here these are intersecting each other at right angles. So, we have drawn a circle by taking the same radius, and we find out when these circles are intersect each other at point C and point D, and when we join this point CD and AB, these are intersecting at right angles. It means these both lines are perpendicular to each other. Now, next exercise, that is exercise 14.2. Here we are going to see the construction of line segment. Draw a line segment of length 7.3 centimeter using ruler. So, the first step is mark at point P. So, we have drawn a line, marked it as point P, place the O mark on the ruler against the point P. So, we have taken a ruler, and by using the compass we have taken the length of 7.3 centimeter, placing the pointer on point P and cutting the arc at Q. We got and naming it as Q. So, we have PQ is equal to 7.3 centimeters. So, let us see once again the steps. Step 1, mark a point P. We have just marked the point P. Step 2, place the O mark of the ruler against the point P. We have taken a ruler, we have measured 7.3 centimeters length and placed the pointer on point P, and then we have marked Q at a distance of 7.3 centimeter. Thus, then we have joined P and Q. Thus, PQ is the line segment of length 7.3 centimeters. Thus, PQ is the line segment of length 7.3 centimeters. Next example, construct a line segment of length 5.6 centimeters using ruler and compass. Step 1, now we have to use the ruler and compass to draw a line segment of length 5.6 centimeter. Draw any line L of suitable length. We have just drawn a line L. Then step 2, place the needle of the compass on the 0 mark of the ruler and open to up to 5.6 mark. So, we have taken a ruler and placing the pointer at 0 mark, and we have taken 5.6 centimeter. Then place the needle at point A at the line and draw an arc to cut L at B. So, we have taken the pointer of the compass, placed it on point A, and then we have cut the line L at point B. Thus, we got AB is equal to 5.6 centimeter. Thus, AB is the required line segment of length 5.6 centimeters. Okay. So, we have seen till now construction, what are the different objects in the geometry box. Then we have seen the construction of circle of different radius, and we have seen concentric circles. We have solved few examples from exercise 14.1 that is related to construction of circle. Then we have also seen about the constructions of line segment. In the next class, we will see an animated video towards the line segment, and we will see the bisector and perpendicular bisector in the next class. Thank you, students.